Hi everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn cookies on or off on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Next, go through the alphabetical list and select Safari. Once you're in the Safari settings, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Advanced. Here, you'll see the Block All Cookies option. If this option is turned off, that means cookies are currently enabled on your device. If you want to disable cookies, simply turn this option on. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Just tap Block All to confirm your choice. And if you ever want to turn cookies back on, just return to this same setting and switch it off. And that's it. That's how you can easily manage cookie settings on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.